Worldwide, eggs play various roles in the preparation of meals in homes. They bring their rich dietary values into various dishes cooked at home or other places. Both the white and the yellow parts of the eggs are very rich in various nutrients which are beneficial to both adults and children. This is why eggs are one of the few foods that are classified as superfoods. Eggs are also used by many to make facial remedies for beauty and skincare. Hello again and welcome to Eventhealth. Today, we are going to review the benefits of eating eggs as a part of your meal. Ready? Let's go with number 1. Their cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol. Even though eggs are high in cholesterol, recent research has proven that food cholesterol found in foods is not what impacts cholesterol in our blood, but rather the levels of saturated fats we eat. Having said that, the way individuals respond to cholesterol varies. For most people, eggs don't raise their cholesterol at all, but in those called hyperresponders, their intake of eggs can raise total and LDL cholesterol. Number 2, they contribute to good cholesterol. According to the research on heart and coronary diseases, people with higher levels of high-density lipoproteins, also known as the good proteins, have lower risks of getting heart and coronary diseases along with other health problems. Research shows that eating 2 eggs per day for 6 weeks will increase the good cholesterol levels by 10%. Number 3, eggs contain choline, a rarely found nutrient. Most people are unaware of this very important substance called choline. It is often grouped with the B vitamins. Choline is essential in the formation of cell membranes and plays a role in the production of signaling molecules in the brain. This is only one of its several functions. You have to note that in just one egg you can find 100 milligrams of this amazing nutrient. Number 4. Eggs are likely to reduce the risk of heart and coronary diseases. Generally speaking, low-density lipoproteins are bad for health and are related to increased risk of heart diseases. Eating eggs has been proven to change the pattern of LDL makeup from small to large LDLs, which prevents a lower risk of heart diseases. Number 5. Beneficial to eyes. Eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are extremely beneficial antioxidants for our eyes' health, especially in terms of eyesight. Many nutrients are known to prevent the degenerative process that affect our eyes, and among them we find lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful oxidants accumulate in the retina of the eye when you consume adequate amounts of egg yolk. In a study performed to illustrate the fact that people who consumed up to 3 egg yolks for 5 weeks increased the lutein by up to 50% and zeaxanthin by up to 142%. Eggs are also rich in vitamin A, which if deficient may result in blindness. Number 6. Pastured eggs contain omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are famous for their role in reducing blood levels of triglycerides. A high level of triglycerides is a risk factor for heart and coronary diseases. When the goose is fed omega-3 enriched food, their eggs tend to have high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. And if you eat 5 omega-3 enriched eggs each week for 3 weeks, you will reduce your triglyceride levels by 16 to 18%. Number 7. Eggs contain proteins with all the essential amino acids. Did you know that one egg contains up to 6 grams of protein? Let us know in the comments. This makes eggs the perfect source of proteins, and proteins are much needed in a diet as they are the building blocks of the human body. We have to get enough proteins in the diet, and researchers have proven that current recommendations are very low. Proteins are used to build all sorts of tissues that serve both structural and functional purposes. Eggs also contain adequate amounts of essential amino acids. Their benefits included increased muscle mass, lower blood pressures, and optimized bone health. Did you know that a single boiled egg contains 77 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of healthy fats, and not to mention, it also contains iron and other essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs also contain other trace nutrients that are beneficial for human health. In a nutshell, eggs contain almost a portion of every required nutrient for humans. Eggs are especially recommended for kids and babies, and also during pregnancy and breastfeeding. The high amounts of choline found in eggs will help essentially the brain development of your child. Eggs are also a very good source of vitamin D, which prevents rickets in growing children. Among all the different ways eggs are cooked, boiling them has proven to be the least damaging to its nutrients. Eggs are a great source of proteins and other several nutrients, and that is why they are called superfoods. So make sure to include eggs in your diet to benefit from their rare component. Basically, you should make eggs a part of your diet right now. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your new healthy diet today and reap the rewards. What are some of the other types of food you eat to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and share. Until next time, Namaste.